how to buy items and beer at the Lidl Self-Checkout.
Okay.
So when you find the self-checkout, scan your items one by one, scan all of your items. When you can scan the beer, the screen will stop and ask for help.
In our case, it doesn't stop. It just stop to proceed, and without any warnings.
Yeah, then call over a staff or wait for staff, depends on how advanced your Lidl is.
We push the button to wait.
But
Style.
it did not work for some reason. Then show your ID if you do not look like over 18 or 21. You need to prove basically that you're older than 18. Then the staff needs to approve the beer, and the machine will let you continue after that. Then you pay for everything, cash your card, and leave.
Yeah, how to pay cash?
You tell staff that you're gonna use cash, and we're gonna tell you, okay, come follow me. You're gonna go to the checkout where we're gonna ask you to pay. You're gonna give them your money, and or they give you a receipt, and then you leave.
I think the simple and more useful way is to pay by card.
It is, but you don't always have a card.
Practical. Okay, let's go. And we need to try.
Can remain in your basket, so put it in your basket.
Okay. Lidl Plus. Звук. How to use Lidl Plus?
No, because
Bigger.
this can go plus. Fine. That's good.
Kids Lidl Plus doesn't work. Готово. Еще два.
Or not.
Thank you very much. And then shopping is payment. Online. Okay.
Right. So you have to scan this at the exit.
That's the exit. We will scan it in the...
Yeah. There's a gate.
Okay. Put everything back.